All right, now we are going to walk through a central BU setup for the NiC inContact API connection. Again, you start by selecting your cluster, your username. This is a username in NiC inContact. What we suggest is you do not use an agent's username, but that you create a separate user just for the API access, and that will be the username and password that you put in here. For this example, I'm just going to put mine in. But again, this is the connection that everything uses to get to NiC inContact E2 and the portal, so any post contact information. So again, do not use an agent or a account that is being used by someone, because if this password changes or if it gets locked out, then the integration stops working. All right, we still need to fill in the same information, the BU information. But now instead of access key and secret, we have an application name and vendor. So that is this E2 at Customer Dynamics. E2, or whatever you named it, is the application name. At Customer Dynamics is the vendor name. All right. Now, if I try to test it now, it will not show as successful. That's because User Hub and Central have different auth tokens. So in the token, you need to put in the API inContact.com authorization token. This is in the documentation under getting started in Central, and what you do is just go to sending the token, and it's right there. So this is the URL that you need to put in the token service. Okay, now I can test it. As you can see, it's successful, so I save it, and that is hooking the portal up to the API connection that we created in NiC inContact.